What's up, everyone? It's Dino, your weird creature that posts videos of nothing. Yeah, it's me, Dino, like always. And I'm with a friend here, probably notice. Skeptical Raindrop. Skeptical Raindrop. And, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyways, what we're gonna be doing here is we're just gonna make comments while I'm here, just gonna be drawing some random crap that I never know what I just created. So, yeah. It's taking a while. It's pretty much taking a while. Alright. You're live there? You're live there?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Alright, wanna start?
People, my cousin Kylie here,
Yes.
we're drawing Weird Among Us comics because we're just bored and we really like Among Us.
Well, basically, she really likes Among Us, mostly.
Yes. It is a very fun game and I hate to see it turned into such cringe, but I'm going to start turning it into cringe. I don't really know about cringe. I might put effort into this. I have no idea.
You can say that again after, that one video.
Yeah, that was terrifying.
So that's the one that you actually made really bad cringe. Okay, hold up. We gotta start with the base. Hold up. Oh. Okay, we gotta start.
I'm skeptical.
Yes, she's a mistake. I meant she is something that I found from the streets. I have no clue what I'm making. It's like every time I'm making something, I have no clue what I'm making. I mean, my video is supposed to be for kids. But I guess it's not. Because I think that video was just no. Oh god.
It stopped. My thing stopped. I'll probably just edit parts together.
Alright. 3 minutes in. Literally 3 minutes in.
Okay, you know what? I'll split with you unmuted because
I have no clue what you're saying because my mic is actually cutting out.
why, hello, other random people that
Yes.
I don't know. You don't know me at all either. But
no one really knows about you.
Kylie's channel, aka Dino Car Room. You may have seen me before on there.
I don't think anyone's gonna recognize you.
Yeah, it was terrifying.
You know what? Screw the comment. I'm not doing any comments right now. I do literally just paper. Jesus. Alright. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.
I think microphone people stop. I'll just give up on recording. I'm stuck.
I mean, you could just animate. Oh.
I'll just be on DeviantArt or something.
Tumblr, whoa. Why do you use Tumblr?
Unless they're just to post comics on there.
Wait, I don't actually have Tumblr, do you? So, how are you?
I'm just failing at recording because my mic.
Yeah, your microphone is like trash.
Yeah, it is. Do
Yeah.
you know any recording programs?
No, this is the
that,
only.
like,
This is the only
wired-
thing I could do. Sorry, but I don't have anything else. The only things I have is pretty much Screen Mac, because that's what I
Xbox
use.
console recorder doesn't work because
He doesn't know what that is. Oh, good. I wanted to share what I'm doing, because I could do that without sharing my screen. Go live. Yeah, now she's apparently dead.
and then TV.
Alright. Hold on, I'm just gonna skip to this part. No, she's off to ask her mother if she saved her, like, do something in her file at her, or if she would. I actually don't know how to pronounce whatever. But, now I'm here just. Oh, God. Now I'm here just coloring in this piece of doo doo. So, I used to remember that, when I drew, like, okay, when I had my laptop, and I was pretty much young, around, like, somewhere between 8, 7, I was like, oh hey, let me just draw everyone winking besides me, because I'm like, my hair's covered. So I did that, and I really regret doing it. Like, really? It's really disgusting. And I hate it. It is scary. Gladly, that's on the laptop, because that's just gone everywhere, forever. But my sister has it. Well, welcome back.
I'm back.
Never missed you.
I just called my mom stupid.
Oh my god! I have no clue what you're saying ew to, but... Also, why are you calling your mother stupid? Are you okay?
Because,
She has long sleeves.
it's family business. She has a belt.
Okay. Oh my god, it's a belt. What do you not like about a belt? A belt is a belt.
It doesn't look like a belt.
I can't draw belts.
Ew!
The only thing I can draw is pretty much what I can draw.
You can only draw cats. Clearly not Eevees. That don't look like an
Oh! You mean this one, yeah. You mean this cringe? Yeah. This is pretty much cringe.
Why is all your old art appearing in the top corner of your stuff?
I was like trying to recreate something, but I guess I'm too lazy to get rid of it. Sorry. Yeah, that's why they're there.
Oh, hang on. Idea. I need to recreate some of my art. Because I actually have a ton of really cringy art.
I've been doing that since Hurricane Laura. Well, no, actually, once we have our internet.
Super cringy art. You
I,
want to see this cringe?
Sure. There goes my lifespan.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty much. Bro, I cannot make pupils, that's for sure.
One I've ever made. Ella the Savage Buddy.
Yeah, wait, okay, it's probably gonna take a while for it to respond. But I could probably feel the pain.
It might post as a file, I don't know. Hopefully not, because I want you to see this garbage.
Oh, good. Let me see the stupid file. It's about blank. It's about blank. Blank. I mean, I'm trying to draw humans. Not really good at it. But it's practice. Alright. Guess.
Well, you're drawing with a mouse.
Yeah. But, I don't really have enough time, so see ya, fools, or whatever you call it.